This is the Gunsight notch. It's a steeply shaped void between rock formations at Seneca Rocks, West Virginia. The gap is an iconic separation between two peaks, causing the South Peak to be one of only a few east of Devil's Tower in Wyoming to require climbing to summit. At least that's what they say. The gap invited a comparison to a gunsight, especially so when a 25-foot pillar named the Gendarme stood in the notch. It fell in October of 1987, and the name persisted.
Sending another walker south to north, about 30 seconds. Wave will be one. Sorry, wave will be one. North to south.
You taking my hangover?
2 minutes.
Oh, good shit.
Okay, we're just finishing up rigging right now. Okay, we have 1 minute until this position. You should stand up when ready. Okay, we have 1 minute.
We don't have to reach
Someone
tomorrow.
should stand up
Unless the
right
clouds
now.
are really clear.
There is a great deal of beauty to be found through a camera, and immeasurable passion behind the viewfinder. This humble subject is as astounded at these photographers' dedication as their ability to follow through. It makes me realize, ever more so, that shooting for the moon comes at no easy expense. It does, however, usually come with great reward. I feel increasingly fortunate to be alive